Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to make my very first game. So the thing is, I don't want to yap too much, that's why I'm just going to tell you the idea and then we're going to start already. So firstly, we're going to make a 2D game, a mobile game, web game maybe. At the bottom of the screen will be a player and then the enemies are coming towards you and you have to kill them, you know. Just such a game, and you will get some coins or points and then you can make some upgrades. Yeah, just these things. I hope it's going to come well. It's going to be my very first game, so I don't know if it's going to come well, but I hope so. And let's start already. Right everyone, because this is my first project and this is going to be my first game ever. That's why I'm gonna do the character on my own instead of AI, you know. So I'm just gonna go here. I think I'm just gonna do it simple, okay? Like this, and then I think a line will be good. Yeah, like this. Let me adjust the color like this so we can see it. And then here, and yeah, this is good. Now let me. Oh, okay. This looks. This looks ugly. But I think, wait, let me do the positioning. Yeah. This is not bad. This is okay for the first time. But let me improve it a bit with my oh yeah, I improved it, I think. Actually, this is not bad. Wait, when I do another circle here, let's see. No, this is good. This is gonna be my tower, and this is gonna be my turret, not a tower. Okay, this is good. This is actually good. Wait, let me do this a bit down. Yeah, like this. It's good. I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. Okay. Now we got our first character, guys. Alright everyone, now after hours of searching and YouTube and internet, I've managed to do this. Look. Yes, and I even can do it with the mouse. This was the hardest part. I struggled with this, for I don't know how long, and it's still not that good, but I mean it's alright. And you can do it with A or D, and then with the right and left arrows. That's pretty good, and I also made it that it can't go too much to the right side or to the left side. And now I'm gonna do the shot. So this is going to be the shot. I made it just like the character. I just made a a simple bullet or something, yeah, and it turned out to be this one here. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty easy. I'm gonna change it later, but not now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this, and I'll now do the bullet. Yeah, alright everyone, now for the end of this video I've made some enemies, just some quickly designed enemies. They will spawn, and after 2 hits they get killed, and yeah,